Second line's in, hay, ready for backfill. Here, 10 inches of stone under. This is all pitched correct way. Got 1, 2, third line in. It's getting hayed right now. The hay filters anything, no silt, fines get through there. That's what they used 50 years ago to make these systems last 30, 35 years. We're doing it the same way. Alright, we got an addition onto stamp pad. I want to do a little bit of some bendy, custom bendy for them, so we did it. We got the last one, last line in for the day. That's 1, 2, 3, and then we got to get 4 and 5 tomorrow. Everything cautioned off, combed off, cautioned off, cleaned up. Beautiful. We got the D box set in a stone pad. We got everything with 8, 10, sometimes almost a foot of stone underneath. Most people are just going to give standard 6 inches of stone under that pipe, and it's not going to last. It'll last you 10 years. You put a foot of stone under that pipe, she'll last you. Last lateral in, getting set right now. Backfilled. 4th line, in and hayed. That's it right there, 5th line. We got the automatic levelers going in. We're gonna backfill. 5th line is in. She's hayed. She's good to go. There's the test. The automatic levelers, you set them all. So they all take, each line takes the same amount. So you can dump it all. Yeah, they all take about the same amount. Takes it pretty quick. D-box is getting closed up. Our laterals are all backfilled. This is money backfilled. We got a grader off. It is all backfilled. I'm gonna pour this when the temperature warms up a little bit. There's no sense in pouring concrete when it's just gonna freeze and gonna cause issues down the road. It's getting too cold at night for concrete. It'll freeze unless you're doing like a floor or something, but then you're probably still gonna have issues with it. I've done it for long enough. So we don't pour concrete when it's cold like this. We don't pour concrete and we don't try to do any stone work or anything like that, because it's just gonna fail and you're gonna have to go back and do it again. It's pretty good, pretty good.